To fix a Hikvision camera's night vision that's not working, several potential issues can be addressed. First, incorrect camera settings may be the culprit, with night vision mode possibly being disabled or misconfigured. Checking the camera settings through the app or web browser is essential, and ensuring that night vision, often referred to as IR mode or day-night mode, is enabled and set to auto, allowing the camera to automatically switch to night vision when it gets dark. Another possible issue is the presence of infrared or IR blockers, such as glass surfaces, certain plastics, or reflective objects, which can interfere with the camera's ability to detect and use infrared light. Rearranging the camera's position or removing obstacles can help resolve this issue, allowing the infrared light to function effectively. Power issues can also cause night vision to fail, as it requires more power than regular operation. Ensuring the power adapter is securely connected and supplying enough voltage is crucial. Trying a different outlet or power adapter can also help resolve power-related issues. By addressing these potential problems, the night vision on a Hikvision camera can be restored to proper functioning.